Hi everybody, and welcome to another mini art lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to paint a pine tree with a fan brush and round brush. Go ahead and load up your paintbrush with a lot of any color that you'd like. Hold your paintbrush in the straight up and down position and create a tree trunk. The tree trunk can be crooked or as straight as you like. Now that you've created a tree trunk, go ahead and flip the orientation of your paintbrush so that it's wide. Use a stamping motion, moving from side to side to create the shape of your tree. Continue with the stamping motion as many times as you need to make the tree look as full as you wish. If you wanted the tree to look like a younger sapling, you might put in less branches. For a full-grown tree, you can keep filling in like I'm doing. Next, we'll use a small round brush to add in some additional details. You can use lighter or darker green to add highlights or lowlights at this point. Make sure that you're choosing the direction of your light source. I chose to use black paint here so you can really see the shape of what I'm painting, but you would normally use maybe a dark brown for the trunk and a pine green for the branches. You could use a lighter green for highlight, darker green for a low light. Make sure you're choosing the direction of your light source so you know where to put the highlights and the shadows. You can create as many layers and fill in this tree as much as you like. If the colors of your highlights and lowlights are looking muddled, make sure that you allow your paint to dry in between layers. Use this method to paint trees or a forest in any of your landscape paintings. To create a sense of distance, make bigger trees in the foreground, which is the front, and smaller trees in the background. Please subscribe below for more acrylic painting lessons and visit galactica143.com.